So hello mga kachillax, welcome to my YouTube channel. So kung bago pa sa YouTube channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So nakikita nyo, so ito ang Excion Cycles. Nagbabalik tayo dito. Dito lang yan sa 96 Granada Street. Ayan, sa kabaan nito. Maganda dito, meron siyang mga parking. Ayan, malawak ang parking at meron ding repair area dito. Kung may problema yung mga pedal assist bikes, walang problema. At maganda dito, katabi nila ang Zoo Kitchen. So kung nagugutom ka, ayan, marami silang pagkain dito. Ayan, pork siomai, Hong Kong asado, at marami pang iba. Kaya huwag tayong patumpik-tumpik pa. Pumasok na tayo. Let's go! So yun, saktong-sakto. Nandito na naman tayo sa Excion Cycles. So dito si Sir Joshua. Long time no see, sir!
Kaya nga, long time well. Thank you for coming.
So ano bang ating i-feature dito para i-update ang ating mga kachillax about dito sa Excion Cycles?
Okay.
The original!
Thank you. No? So yes, Excion Cycles has been there since 2020, no? And since 2020, we actually have started selling the Nactoflex. But syempre, over the years, we've been upgrading, customizing it based on sa mga needs ng mga customers natin, no? So even if you have a 2020 model na Nactoflex 5 years ago, don't worry, we have parts for it. We can customize it, we can upgrade it, no?
Nice.
So, even 5 years old na yung bike mo, maayos natin yan. No? So, here we have first yung one of our customizations, yung Nactoflex, but on the classic or basic form, no? Which is, first of all, it's 350 watt motor, tapos 48 volt 8 Ah battery, no? To make it very lightweight, no? Lightweight and nimble, perfect for yung mga daily uses ninyo. So if you'd see, no, parang configured yan for me, kaya naka long seat post yan, naka air seat, yung comfortable, tapos with a classic look, no? Next would be one of our best sellers, no? More of yung commuter version. This one yun sa white naman, no? So again, it's something na kinostom din ng clients namin. Actually, this is going to one of our clients, no? So it has front and rear racks, 48 volt battery siya, but 12 Ah, no? So much bigger ang battery capacity niya for your daily commutes, daily use.
So mga pag ganyan ng battery, sir, mga ilan ang range po natin yan?
I'd say mga 80 kilometers
80
tayo
kilometers.
dyan on a single charge. 350 watt motor also, geared hub motor, tapos naka Camros Pro hydraulic brakes, no?
So ito by default, na Camros na talaga?
Yes, kasi very important sa amin yung brakes eh. So
Tama.
of all the Nactos that we release, automatic naka Camros Pro brakes yan. Yung Camros Pro brakes niya, if naubos mo brake pads within 1 year, free replacement yan kasi it's rated for more than 8,000 kilometers. So it means grabe talaga ang gamit niyo pag naubos niyo yung brakes. So we'll do a free replacement for that. No? So yes, this has been one of our most popular bike models, especially for bike commuters. No? Tapos for those naman who wanted to go on adventure, and sometimes they don't like to bike all the way, we have yung Flex na gravel version naman. Like this one, no? I sort of customized it also for myself with wide tires, no? So this is 20 by 3.5 tires. Again, with front rack, rear rack, tapos suspension fork also. And yan, long seat post, air seat 1. Ganun po. This one also uses the 48 volt 12 Ah battery kasi when we go out on long trips, we want a big battery to help us, no? And yung last trip nga namin to Infanta, we were able to fold 2 flexes and fit them comfortably in a car. Tapos when we got to Infanta, dyan na kami nagbike. So yan din yung mga leisure customers namin, they really go for the gravel variant. Kasi they love to bring it with them to provinces, tapos dyan sila mag-explore.
Nice.
Yan. So, in terms of pricing naman, we start off with the 49,000 for the basic model. Then for the commuter variant, it's 54,000. Then for the gravel variant, nasa 56,000.
Ito yun, sir. No?
Yes, oo. All of these are on our website, no? And we do a lot of customizations for our clients, no? Just come here, we'll interview you, we'll work with you, we'll see how we can make it your personal bike talaga. Yanon. And for example, if you're not in a hurry and value for money yung habol natin, we also have the pre-order program. So whatever yung prices namin on the website, less 30% siya if you pre-order. So you just have to wait mga 2 to 3 months.
2 to 3 months.
For that, oo. But when you pre-order, we can really help you customize. No? Like for example, this customer, pre-order niya and gusto talaga niya classic look. Oh. That's why if you'd see, no, naka silver rims siya. Tapos yung fenders niya silver din. Yan. Very classic looking e-bike.
So ito, sir, ano na, no? Customized na yan. So hindi ito yung default, no?
Yes. So the commuter looks like that a bit. But you just have to add a little. A little in terms of yung, let's say, gusto kasi niya na tan wall tires. So a little upgrade lang for tan wall tires. Yung handlebars niya, I mean the handle grips are brown. It's already custom built in sa Costama niya. Yan, gusto niya also brown saddle, ganon. So it really looks like a very classic looking folding bike mini velo type. Ganon. So we do work with a lot of clients na ganyan, no, na they want yung bike nila unique. And with that, we help them source the parts. If needed, we can color for you. Parang ganon.
Nice. So itong mga bikes nyo, sir, no, ever since na nagkakilala tayo, mga ilang years na, no?
Yes, I think...
solid to solid pa rin. Yan at yan pa rin yung itsura ng, ng mga Nacto e-bikes natin, no?
Yes, as in, I think doon kami na hindi kami yung palit ng palit every year, no? But rather, it's still the same frame, it's still the same model, but we improve a bit.
Yes.
We give yung customers namin choices to customize their bikes how they like it, no? But
so,
yes.
Para lumalabas, sir, na it's up to the customers na kung gusto talaga nila i-customize para at least, di ba, parang sariling flavor na lang nila.
Yes, oo.
Basta kayo, yung Nacto nyo, yung pa rin.
Yun pa rin, oo.
Yung pa rin. Talagang,
mga itong bikes na to, 5 years. Mga 5 years old na yung mga bikes na to eh.
Kaya nga, solid na solid eh. So, hayaan na lang natin yung customers i-evolve yung kanilang mga Nacto.
Mga Nactos nila.
Nacto e-bikes nila, no?
And on our site, nandyan yung mga, on our website, www.nactoph.com, nandyan yung mga base models, no? And from there, you can choose yung base model mo. You want it white, you want it black, you want it a different color. Then from there, we'll interview you. Kung saan mo siya gagamitin, ano yung mga types mo, or yung color choices, then we'll help you customize.
Sir, ano ang ating mga modes of payment?
So we have credit card also.
Credit card.
Yeah, so syempre, regular cash, bank transfer, and credit card.
So meron din bang parang installment?
Via BDO credit
Via
cards,
BDO.
yes. We can do installment via BDO credit cards.
Pero home credit, wala tayong home.
Sa ngayon, wala pa.
Wala. So BDO credit card pwede.
BDO credit cards pwede.
So anong pwede na sila, sir, i-Waze para madaling makita or i-Google mo?
Yes, please Google Action Cycles. Yan si Romel, he's building up the Nacto Steadies naman.
Shoutout naman dyan! Oh, Lodi, shoutout naman dyan!
Si Doc Paul.
Doc Paul, yan magaling na mga mekaniko to. All around, ever since 5
years since nag-start tayo, Paul has been there.
Sir, sana pala yung warranty?
So we give 1-year warranty on all the electrical parts kasi yan yung pinaka-important. And don't worry, 5 years ago nandito pa yung when we started, up to now, we still continually provide for parts and services for all our clients. So dyan talaga kami kilala.
Tama. Sir, kunwari, example, new beginner pa lang sa mga pedal assist bike, biglang nasiraan, sir, sa lugar nila. Hindi nila madala yung bike kasi nga nagkaroon ng problem. Do you do home service?
Yes, we also do home service, especially for clients namin outside Metro Manila. No, madalas kami actually sa south. No, kasi we do have a lot of clients there. Sineschedule nga lang namin.
Oo nga, siyempre. So yun, again sir, maraming salamat sa pagpapaunlak mo sa ating mga ka-chillax. Till the next time, sir!
Thank you!